Hi, my name is Glen and this is Melina. And for today we're going to be showing you the Argentine Tango. So the first thing we're going to work on and show you is just a weight distribution. What I'm going to do is step forward with my left foot and Melina's going to step back with her right foot. I'm going to bring my feet to close, Melina brings her foot to close, and then we're just transferring weight. Now I'm going to step back with my right foot, she steps forward, and then we transfer weight. Now I'm going to step to the side, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So we're going to do this again. Step 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Argentine Tango is unique in the fact that I don't have to do 3, I don't have to do 2, I don't have to do 4. I can do as many as I want as long as it fits within the framework of the music. So I could go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. In terms of the hold, we're just going to have a nice little intimate hold. Okay, I can bring my hand into my heart, bring it to the side. I want to drop my head a little bit. Melina drops her head over my left shoulder as well. And we step 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. For our next pattern, we're going to show you the basic. So here now, I step back with the right foot. Melina steps forward with the left. We step 1. We take a side step, 2. Now on my third step, I step outside Melina's side, 3, and she steps back. We take another step forward, and now Melina's going to do what we call a cross, where she brings her left foot inside her right foot, and I bring my right foot to close. From here now, I just straighten my body, and we do half a box. I step left foot forward, she steps right foot back, and side close. We'll do this from a different angle, and we'll do it in dance position. We're stepping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She crosses, and then half a box, 1, 2, 3. Now for our next pattern, we're going to be doing an extended basic. So move over here. So we're starting with our basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I take Melina into a cross. Now, I'm going to take 3 steps forward. She goes 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3. Now, from here, I step outside partner. She's still stepping back. 1, 2. She goes into another cross. And now 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3. Side, close. So we'll do this from this angle. In dance position. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. I step outside partner. Take her into another cross. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Side, close. For our next pattern, we're going to be showing you the ladies' fans, or ochos. The idea of an ocho, or a fan, is the lady will start with her right foot, and Melina's just going to swivel on either foot. If it's a small step, she steps with the ball of her feet, and if it's a bigger step, she can step with a heel. So this is the idea of a fan. We're going to start with our basic, and we step 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here, however, the man does not close his feet. He keeps his right foot behind. And now, I send Melina into an ocho, 2, 3, 4, bring her in front, close my feet, and take 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, side, close. We'll do it from this angle. So we start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ochos. 1, 2, 3, 4, bring her in front, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the next pattern, we're going to be showing you a windmill to the right. So the idea is we're starting with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. The lady goes into a cross, but the man stays and keeps his right foot behind. Now from here, Melina's going to take 2 steps around me. 1, 2. And now she's going to swivel and have her back. 1, 2. And now we go into Ochos. And then into 3 steps. And side close. So we'll do it from this angle. Starting with the basic. And 1, 2, 3. Side close. She walks around slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow, and 1, 2, 3, side, close. All I do is when I'm here, is I just pivot on the spot and come back around to face my partner. And in essence, I let her momentum take me around. So we'll do this now in dance position. Slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, and 1, 2, 3, side, close. Now, we're going to show you the windmill to the left. This is a little tricky because it doesn't really involve our basic. However, conceptually, it's the same as the windmill to the right. We're starting with our first 2 steps of our basic, 1, 2, and now Melina's going to step back. I'm stepping forward outside partner 3. Now, what happens here is Melina steps to my side and forward 1. She walks around 2, 3. She turns her back 4, 5 and closes. And then 1, 2, 3, side, close. So we'll take it from this angle. So we're going 1, 2, 3. Slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, and slow, 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 side, close. And we'll do it in dance position. Slow, slow, slow. For our next pattern, we're going to be showing you what's called a cross basic. A cross basic is an interesting pattern because it's the first time where the man and the woman are on the same foot. Okay? The woman's basic remains the same. The man has to, however, stagger his feet. So what the man does, I'll take Melina with me here, is we're going to just take our first 2 steps slow, and Melina steps to the side with her right foot. I take 2 steps. So now we're both on the left foot. So now she steps back, 1. She steps back again, 2. Now, I don't step anymore, and Melina's going to go into a cross, but it's my body momentum which takes her into a cross. And now we finish with half a box, 1, 2, 3. So we'll do this from this angle. So we're going slow, 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 slow. Now for our next pattern, we're going to be doing a reverse Ocho. I'm using my cross basic. So Melina's going to step forward and then side, and I'm doing my 1 with my starter step 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? We're on the same foot. I'm going to turn her body, and now she's going to do a reverse fan. 1, 2, 3, 4. She closes her feet, and we do 1, 2, 3 side close. 1, 2, 3 side close. So we'll do this again. Starting with our cross basic, and slow. And now we're going to show you a little dance demonstration.